Hello friends, in this video I will try to repair this smart battery that it's not charging. Let's begin. When you plug this charger, there is no sign of charging. You can press. Now, first thing that we have to do is to measure this because this doesn't have any LED. I don't know if this is working or not. First of all, let's measure this charger. This should have 17 volts. So it seems the charger is good. Now that means the problem is with this smart battery. It can be three possible cases. Case 1. The battery voltage dropped under first threshold, and if we recharge the elements of the battery, this will work again. Case number 2. The voltage on each element drop under the minimum threshold, and it's possible that this disable the charging chip inside. And third possibility is that each element is dead and this can be made to work again. Now let's open this and see what we have inside. So here we have the inside. I must see it's more complicated than I expected. It's something like laptop battery. It has 4 serious elements, 3.6 volts. It has a thermal sensor here and a lot of wires. I don't know why there are so many small wires here, because it needs only 3 wires. It has 2 microcontrollers, 2 MOSFETs. Now let's measure the voltage from the beginning to the end. So I presume the black and the red is the beginning and the end, and there is 0 volts. Now let's try to measure each element. First element is or shorted or discharged. Last, shorted or discharged. And I presume, now let's check the middle elements. It's shorted or discharged. And other middle element, it's also. So my fear is that this is under minimum threshold and this will not be made alive again. But let's try. So I will use my power supply. I will put 16 volts and 1 amp, and let's see what happened. Now let's see what happened when we apply here. It's a good sign, but you have to be very careful on each element, not overload maximum voltage on each element. So let's decrease the current and measure each element to see if they are balanced. So I decrease the current. Now let's measure each element. First element, second, third, and fourth. As you can see, they are well balanced beside third. So I have to monitor third element because other one are well balanced. So I will check this not overcome 4 volts voltage. And when this will reach 4 volts, I will make another try to see if this is charging now. Now let's measure again each element. First element is 2 volts, second 2.3, third 3.4, and fourth 2 volts. Now let's see what happens when we connect the charger. As you can see, it's a good sign. It starts to charging but then stops. Let's see if we are lucky and charge more. Now let's make another test. Let's measure voltage on the beginning and on the end, and we have 14 volts. I think that's a good start. Now let's connect the charger. It seems now it's charging. So I will let this and I will be back in 1 hour. So I made the research on internet and unfortunately I can't repair this battery because this contain a laptop battery chip, and when one of the elements is fully discharged, then this chip goes to locked state, and now this battery is locked, and you need a device laptop battery analyzer to unlock this chip, and I don't have this device and I can't unlock this battery. So I will send this battery to someone who has the device and can unlock this device. It's about 200 or 300 euro, and the license it's 200 euro on the ear, on each ear, and for me it's not an option because it's just a hobby for me. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment, and if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.